Would you like to create a very cool and unique creativity journal in 2018? In this video, I'm going to explain to you how week after week, I'm going to provide you with really pretty and inspirational illustration for you to color and add to your journal, as well as journal pages and ideas how to share some of your artwork to uplift a girlfriend in the process. Hi, I'm Natalie. Welcome to Pause and Paint and to my new Create to Uplift movement. I'm really looking forward to creating this journal with you and helping you in unveiling your creativity while reaching out and uplifting women in your life, girlfriends, people in your family that you know can use a little picker-upper and some color in their lives. So I'm hoping you will also invite them to join the movement and do the same. Here are some very simple steps for you to join the Create to Uplift movement. Step number 1, subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you get the notifications every week for new coloring pages. Step number 2 is just go in the description and look for material needed. Basically, I'm just giving you ideas on what journal to get and what pastels I use. But of course, you can use your own materials as well. Step number 3 is to print your coloring pages. Step number 4 is to join the Facebook community, and you have the link in the description below. In this community, you're just gonna get to know one another, to get more insights on what I'm doing with the journal. In my videos, I show you really fun and inspiring ways to use all pastels to color your pages. I chose this journal, but of course you can choose your own journal or buy one that have the spirals. It's really a personal choice when it comes to your creativity journal. Feel free to use whatever you're comfortable with. I'm going to give you all the information to print those little fun cards that you can add for your girlfriend to know what this is all about. And of course, you can order some girlfriend's journey cards. I'm going to give you the link again in the description, but you can add a self-made card or go to any store and buy a fun card for you to add to your illustration. Write a little personal note, and you can give your illustration all kinds of different ways. You can invite a girlfriend for coffee and give it to her. You can put it in her mailbox, of course, if you know her. If you want to mail it, just make sure you get a tall enough envelope and put a cardboard in it so it doesn't fold or bend. I think it's easy nowadays to slip into isolation, especially with social media and all the different ways we have to connect online, but there's nothing like gathering in person. And I think that inviting some girlfriends and putting a couple of all pastels in the middle of the table with some tea, coffee, your favorite beverage, and just color together and, you know, tell stories and share with one another. So I invite you to do that with Create to Uplift as well. I'll share weekly videos with you, and I'm really looking forward to building this journal with you, because when you forget about your own problems and you project positivity and creativity in other people's life, things are more joyful. And this is a very simple way for me to share my love of painting, pastels, and creativity. Until my next video, I'll see you soon. Don't forget to go in the description and to subscribe to my channel, and we'll get started in doing our creativity journal together. And remember, creativity is within you. So you first print a few illustrations and you color one of the illustrations for your girlfriend. So I would add 1 or 2 black and white and your beautiful new pastel. Then you add the card that's going to explain in a few bullet points what this movement is all about, and I give the link for her to get more information. This is the girlfriend's journey card. I'm sending this to a friend, so I put a little note, but of course you can go to the store and buy a fun card or you know, whatever you want to add, whatever note you want to add with your gift. Put everything together in a transparent plastic sleeve, or if you want to put it in a small frame, that would be fun as well. I'm going to drop this envelope in a friend's mailbox, but if you had to go to the post office, I would add just a cardboard to make sure that your artwork doesn't bend or fold. And that's it. Now you can just imagine her face when she'll open this envelope. Now, to see the first video to add to your journal, go to the video on the right. And to see what YouTube recommends, go to the video on the left. Connect with me on Twitter or Instagram at Paint with Nat. Until my next video, stay creative.